Hi guys, I'm Lauren, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro. I promise you it's really fast, really simple and easy. Anyone can do it. By the end of the video you'll have created something that looks like this. To get started, just click the first link in the description. Alright, now we're in Veed. We've got two options here. If you'd like to add your own footage, just click upload a file, or if you want to use stock footage, click the search bar here to find whatever it is that you're looking for. I'm going to use stock footage, so I will pick my first clip, and then I'll just give that a moment to load. Now I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to hit pause at the point that I want to make my first cut. So play, pause, then hit split, right click on the part I want to remove, and hit delete. Now to add my second clip, I'm going to click add media above the timeline and do the same thing again, but this time I want to use my own footage. So once it's loaded, I'll then play it. I'll hit pause at the point I want to make my cut. I'm going to hit split, right click on the part I want to remove and hit delete. Now I'd like to add transitions between the clips, so I'm just going to hit transitions here in the left hand column and then click on the box between the two clips. And now all I have to do is select a transition. Perfect, now we've got our clips, we can add and animate text. So just click text in the left-hand column, click headline title, now type in whatever it is that you want it to say. So I'm just gonna put my name. And now we can change the font, we can increase the size, we can choose a color, and if we click on animation, you'll see we have so many here for you to choose from. Just hold your mouse over one to see it in action, and then just choose your favorite. Now just click that arrow to go back, and next we can add an effect to make our text pop. So I'm going to hit on effect and then I'll choose shadow. Perfect, we can do the same thing again now to our second clip. You're just going to move your playhead over to the next clip, click on it and then click on text in the toolbar and just repeat the same process again. Moving on, we want to add a call to action so people will like, comment, subscribe to all of our videos and to our channel. So to do this, just move your playhead over and now click elements in the left hand toolbar. In here we have so many cool elements you can choose from. You can add emojis and sound waves, but for this video we're going to scroll down until we see animated stickers. Click search and now type in YouTube. Now you can choose from any of these options, just select your favorite, and once it's loaded, you will see it appear in your timeline. Now to shorten it so it ends in time with your video, just push it over. You can also change the position and the size of it by moving it anywhere on screen and dragging the corners and sides in and out. And the final touch we want to add is music. Click audio in the left hand column, and beside stock audio, click search. And in here we have an entire stock audio library filled with music and sound effects, and everything is filtered by genre. So you can just take your time here, have a listen, find the right one for your video, and once you've found it, just click on it and you'll see it appear in the timeline. Now it's far too long for what we need, so we need to cut it. Place your playhead at the end of your video, then select the track, hit split, right click on the excess and delete it. Now you want to lower down your audio on the actual clips itself, so just click on your footage and then scroll down to where you see audio and drag that volume bar over to the left. You can also have your music fade out at the end, just select your track and then select fade out. It's just nicer than having a sudden stop in the music. Lovely, that's all looking good, so now all we need to do is export it. Just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings and hit export once more. Give that a moment here to render. Once it's finished, we're going to watch it through once just to make sure we're happy with it. And now that we're happy with it, all that's left to do is hit download and download MP4. And that's it. That's how to make a YouTube intro. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, go on and give us a like, subscribe for more editing and social media content, and leave me any comments or questions down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!